What's up, skincare family? It's Abraham, and today we're diving into the secrets of flawless post-wax skin. We all love that smooth, fresh, waxed look, but nobody wants the bumps and irritation that can follow. I've talked to Nairobi's top estheticians, and I'm sharing their best-kept aftercare secrets for melanin-rich skin. We'll cover the must-have products and steps to keep your skin calm, glowing, and bump-free. If you're tired of guessing what works after waxing, this is your masterclass. From the moment you leave the table to the days after, I've got you covered. We're talking soothing, calming, and protecting your investment because waxing is self-care. Get ready to screenshot these pro tips. Let's elevate your waxing experience and keep your skin looking its absolute best. Let's get into these Nairobi-approved secrets and unlock your post-wax glow. First up, immediate aftercare is paramount. Reach for pure aloe vera gel. It's your best friend in this moment. Aloe is legendary for a reason. It's been trusted for centuries. It's the ultimate soother for freshly waxed, stressed skin. Think of it as a cool drink of water for irritated pores. Nairobi's pros agree this isn't just a suggestion. This is your non-negotiable first step. It's the foundation upon which all other aftercare efforts are built. Aloe's anti-inflammatory and cooling properties work synergistically to bring relief. Instantly calm redness and sensitivity. You'll feel the difference immediately. It hydrates deeply without clogging pores, providing essential moisture, letting your skin heal fast. It creates the optimal environment for recovery. Skip the drugstore green gels. They often contain additives and alcohol. Go for pure 100% aloe vera. Read the label carefully to ensure you're getting the real deal. If you have a plant, even better. Fresh is always best. Apply a generous layer, don't be shy. Right after gently cleansing and patting dry, don't rub. Patting minimizes irritation. Let it absorb, don't rinse off. Allow the aloe to work its magic. Reapply as needed throughout the first day. The more the merrier, especially in the initial hours. This step is crucial for preventing post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, a common concern, especially for deeper skin tones which are more prone to hyperpigmentation. By calming inflammation right away, you're nipping potential problems in the bud. You're protecting your skin from future dark spots and unevenness. Aloe vera is your skin's first line of defense against irritation and inflammation, and the foundation of a flawless post-wax routine. It sets the stage for everything else. Trust me, this simple step will change your post-wax game. You'll wonder how you ever lived without it. It's all about starting the healing process right from the very beginning. Don't skip it. Your skin will thank you with a radiant, healthy glow. Pure aloe sets the stage for calm, happy skin ready to face the world. It's easy, effective, and essential for maintaining healthy, beautiful skin. Nairobi's experts swear by it, and so should you. Incorporate it into your routine today. Make aloe your go-to after every wax, without exception. It's the secret to smooth, even-toned skin that everyone will envy. Start your post-wax journey with aloe and make it a habit, and you'll see the difference in the look and feel of your skin. After aloe vera has worked its magic, it's time to focus on keeping those pores impeccably clean and free from any potential irritants. Enter alcohol-free witch hazel toner, a gentle yet effective solution for maintaining skin health after waxing. Waxing, while effective at removing unwanted hair, leaves follicles open and unfortunately vulnerable to bacteria and environmental impurities. This vulnerability can often lead to the formation of unsightly bumps and frustrating breakouts. Witch hazel works wonders by gently tightening pores, creating a barrier against potential invaders. It also calms any lingering redness or inflammation, providing immediate relief to freshly waxed skin. Think of it as acting like a vigilant security guard for your skin, protecting it from external threats. When selecting a witch hazel toner, always choose an alcohol-free formula to avoid unnecessary dryness. Alcohol can strip the skin of its natural oils, leading to dryness and irritation, especially for those with sensitive skin. Look for pure witch hazel, ensuring you're getting the most natural and beneficial product. You might even consider one with a touch of aloe or rosewater for extra soothing and hydrating benefits. After the aloe vera has fully absorbed into your skin, creating a soothing base, gently pat the alcohol-free witch hazel on with a soft cotton pad, ensuring even distribution across the waxed area. Remember, no rubbing. This crucial step helps prevent the formation of painful and irritating ingrown hairs. It achieves this by keeping the follicles clear of debris and maintaining a calm, balanced environment. Estheticians in Nairobi often emphasize that clients who consistently use witch hazel experience a significant reduction in ingrown hairs and overall skin irritation after waxing. For the initial 24 to 48 hours following your waxing session, your simplified routine should consist of a gentle cleanse with a mild, fragrance-free cleanser, soothing aloe vera gel, and finally, the application of alcohol-free witch hazel toner. It's a remarkably simple yet incredibly powerful combination for achieving clear, comfortable, and healthy skin. So don't underestimate the potential of this humble plant extract. Witch hazel is a pro-approved secret weapon that can help you achieve consistently bump-free and smooth skin after waxing. Incorporate it into your post-wax routine and watch your skin thank you with a radiant and healthy glow. Clean, calm, and beautifully balanced. That's precisely how your skin should feel and look after a professional waxing session, thanks to the power of witch hazel. Next, lock in hydration with a fragrance-free moisturizer. Fragrance is a big no-no on freshly waxed skin. It can trigger irritation and rashes. Your skin is vulnerable, so keep it simple and gentle. Look for moisturizers with ceramides, hyaluronic acid, or shea butter. Nothing fancy, just nourishing. Lightweight lotions or gel creams are best. Avoid anything thick or greasy. Apply gently in the direction of hair growth with clean hands. A thin, even layer is all you need to comfort and protect your skin. Proper hydration prevents dryness and helps stop ingrown hairs before they start. Dry skin can trap new hair, so keep it soft and supple from day one. Skip the scented body butters for now. Your skin needs calm, not fragrance. Read labels and choose products for sensitive skin. Nairobi's pros say this simple switch makes a huge difference. Fragrance-free is the professional move for smooth, happy skin. Protect your skin when it's most vulnerable. Moisturize right and you'll see the results. Need instant relief? Grab a cold compress. Redness, swelling, or that hot, throbbing feeling after waxing? Cold is your best friend. A cold compress narrows blood vessels, reducing redness and puffiness fast. It also numbs nerve endings, easing pain and discomfort. Don't put ice directly on your skin. Wrap it in a clean cloth or use a cold, damp washcloth. Apply for 10-15 minutes at a time, repeating as needed on day 1. This is especially helpful for sensitive areas or if you get histamine bumps. Cold calms the skin's inflammatory response and helps bumps disappear faster. It's a simple, drug-free way to manage immediate post-wax flare-ups. Add a cold compress to your toolkit for instant comfort. It's easy, costs nothing, and works wonders. Professionals always recommend it for a reason. For quick calming and reduced swelling, nothing beats a cold compress. Your skin will thank you for this classic tip. Exfoliation is key for preventing ingrown hairs, but timing is everything. Wait at least 72 hours after waxing before exfoliating. Your skin needs time to heal first. Exfoliating too soon causes irritation. As hair regrows, dead skin can trap it, leading to ingrowns. Gentle exfoliation clears the way for smooth hair growth. Use a mild sugar scrub or soft mitt for physical exfoliation. No harsh scrubbing. Or try a chemical exfoliant with glycolic or salicylic acid for a gentle, effective option. Salicylic acid is great for keeping pores clear, especially in areas prone to ingrowns. Exfoliate 2-3 times a week, no more, or you'll risk irritation. Consistency is key for smooth, bump-free skin. Focus on areas with coarse hair, like the bikini line or underarms. Gentle, regular exfoliation keeps skin clear and follicles open. Start 2-3 days after waxing and continue until your next appointment. Be gentle, let the product do the work. This is your long-term strategy for flawless, lasting results. Exfoliate right and your wax will look great for weeks. What you wear after waxing matters more than you think. For the first 24-48 hours, choose loose, breathable clothing. Tight clothes cause friction and trap heat, leading to irritation and bumps. Synthetic fabrics like nylon or polyester can make things worse by holding in moisture and bacteria. Cotton is your best friend, soft, airy, and gentle on sensitive skin. Opt for loose sweatpants, maxi dresses, or flowy shorts. Seamless cotton underwear is ideal after a bikini or Brazilian wax. Plan ahead, bring comfy clothes to your appointment if needed. Nairobi estheticians say tight clothes undo all their good work. Give your skin space to breathe and recover. It's a simple step that makes a huge difference in healing. For at least 24 hours, let comfort win over style. Your skin will heal faster and feel better. Don't rush back into skinny jeans. Your smooth skin deserves a break. Embrace the comfort for the best post-wax results. Last but crucial, protect your skin from the sun. It's the single most important step in any skincare routine, especially after waxing. Freshly waxed skin is extra sensitive to UV rays. Waxing removes a layer of dead skin cells, leaving your skin more vulnerable and prone to hyperpigmentation. This is because the melanocytes, which produce pigment, can become overactive when exposed to the sun after being sensitized by waxing. For the first 72 hours, avoid direct sun on waxed areas. Give your skin a chance to recover and rebuild its natural defenses. Cover up with loose clothing. This provides a physical barrier against the sun's harmful rays. After that, apply a broad-spectrum SPF 30+ sunscreen. Broad spectrum means it protects against both UVA and UVB rays, both of which can cause damage, daily to exposed skin. Reapply every 2 hours or immediately after swimming or sweating. Mineral sunscreens with zinc oxide or titanium dioxide are gentle and effective. They work by creating a physical barrier on the skin, rather than being absorbed like chemical sunscreens. The best sunscreen is the one you'll actually use. Find a formula you love. Experiment with different textures and brands until you find one that feels comfortable and that you don't mind applying regularly. Sun exposure can cause dark spots that take months to fade, especially on melanin-rich skin. Hyperpigmentation can be particularly stubborn to treat on darker skin tones. Protecting your skin is the #1 way to keep it even-toned and healthy. Prevention is always easier than correction when it comes to sun damage. Nairobi's pros insist, don't skip SPF, even on cloudy days. UV rays can penetrate clouds, so you're still at risk of sun damage even when it's overcast. Think of sunscreen as protecting your investment in smooth, beautiful skin. It's a small price to pay for long-term skin health. Cover up, apply SPF, and keep your results flawless. Don't be stingy with the sunscreen. Use a generous amount to ensure adequate protection. Make sun protection a daily habit, not just for beach days. Incorporate it into your morning routine, just like brushing your teeth. The African sun is strong. Respect it and protect your skin. Your future self will thank you. Consistent SPF is the secret to long-lasting, radiant results. It's the foundation of any effective anti-aging strategy. Don't let the sun undo your hard work. SPF is non-negotiable. It's an essential part of maintaining healthy, beautiful skin, especially after waxing. That's your complete, pro-approved post-wax guide straight from Nairobi's experts. From soothing aloe to daily SPF, you're ready to keep your skin smooth and radiant. No more guessing or irritation, just results. What's your holy grail post-wax tip? Drop it in the comments and let's share the knowledge. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more expert skincare advice. Take care of your beautiful skin and stay glowing. Until next time, keep it smooth and radiant. Peace.